Okay, so I've got the Biffy Ton remote control truck here. Thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out. So this is a super cool remote control truck here. It comes in either the blue or the green. So it has really nice like cushion tires here. It's pretty nice and lightweight. Super cool looking. Comes with a remote control. And it comes with 2 batteries, so there's one in there already, and you have an extra one here. So while one is charging, you can still use your car, so that is super nice. Came with 2 AA batteries as well. Comes with a charger, even comes with a screwdriver, and that's for opening it up here and down here as well, right there. So that is super cool. Comes with everything you need to get started. So the remote control here, lighting, so you can press the lighting button right here, so now it can turn on the lights. And then you have low or high gear, so that controls the speed. So the trigger here, get it going. So, and then reverse the other way. This car is super fast, super fun. So either low gear or high gear, so faster or slower, and then the left or right wheel right there. So yeah, I don't want to run it right here, but let me take it outside and show you what that looks like. Okay, so well, it's raining outside, so I'll just show you here in my garage. So let's put on low gear. Thing is even good speed, even at low gear here. Very responsive. You can see the lights on there. Very easy to control. It's going to be a lot of fun for kids or adults as well. So let's put it in high gear here. Oh yeah, it goes at a pretty nice speed there. Very easy to control. And then you can see you can control the lights there as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a super fun remote control car for kids or adults, make sure to check this out.